Sunday. It's supposed to be 97 degrees today. So we thought we'd take advantage of the weather. There's supposed to be some wind. Do some sailing today. Might be the last big hoorah before school starts. Kids go back to school. Nan goes back to work. So we thought we'd take advantage of it, do some sailing today. It's gonna be a pretty hot day, but weather's looking good. Wind is coming.
Forgot that feeling, the sun in my face, it's so well needed. Life will take care of the rest. Biking alone in the sunset, through the canal, so the mindset I needed. Yeah, I needed. Oh, let's freeze time, gather around, watch the sun go down. Oh, in summertime, soaking up the sun, cruising around in this crazy town. Oh, just you and I, just you and I. The sun on your skin, as great as breathing, filling the spaces within. Running around, are we there yet? Music is not where we all met. Oh, let's freeze time, gather around, watch the sun go down. Oh, in summertime, soaking up the sun, cruising around in this crazy town. Oh, just you and I, just you and I.
Nicely done.
Wind's been perfect today. It's like probably 10 to 12 miles an hour. Beam reach up and down the channel. It's been a good day to sail. Sort of like the last hoorah, end of summer sail, beginning of school year.
That was just me.
So you're not ready?
I'm never ready.
Yeah.
I'll be right here.
Yeah.
I will be ready, but I'd take an extra day.
Sure. It's a good day though.
Let's freeze time. Oh, in summertime, soaking up the sun, cruising around in this crazy town. Oh, just you and I, just you and I, just you and I.
Fun day on the Sea Turtle. We did some sailing, the wind was good. It was fun just to come over here and hang out, even if you don't spend the whole day. So glad you guys could come along with us. We had fun. It's fun just to come over here and mess around. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.